Is the Porsche Macan losing its spark? You won't believe what they're doing next. For years, the Macan has dominated the streets with its lightning-quick turbo engines. Whether you prefer its peppy four-banger or throaty V6 roar, this SUV knows how to make hearts race. But things are about to get even more electrifying. Word on the street is, the best-selling Macan is ditching gas for good. That's right, the power that is at Porsche is going all in on batteries. Is the electric Macan ready to snatch the crown? Sources says this rebel has quietly geared up to compete with the big dogs. Scouts caught it tearing up the challenging Nürburgring track and gliding across icy slopes. Even covered up onlookers were amazed by the glimpses of swift moves like the Taycan. Smooth curves and peppered screens foretold an interior primed to excite. But according to those in the know, its real talents lie closer to the bone. Word is, its thrills will light up smiles like nothing the streets have seen. Leave it to Porsche to transform a fan favorite into an innovator ready to stun. Pricing leaks put a baseline around $80,000, with a loaded GTS topping 6 figures. But trust me when I say it, this stunner is worth every penny. The electric Macan has been training hard in the shadows. But imprint my prophecy on your mind, when it emerges from disguise and steps into the spotlight, mouths will fall agape in awe. This impending titan is primed to ignite grins whether on the road or circuit. Just give it time and watch the magic unfold. The electric Macan's plug-in powertrain is primed to spark a revolution. Spies claim it may tap over 600 horses and a mind-blowing 740 pound-feet of torque through lightning-quick dual motors. But even conservative estimates promise 440 horses hauling 500 pound-feet. Either way, rivals beware. This stunner's acceleration will leave them in the dust. More enticing, rumors point to a range exceeding 230 miles thanks to an advanced 800-volt platform. Paired with 270 kilowatt fast charging, drivers can minimize fuel stops and maximize thrills. Because when each stop equals as much juice as 2 full tanks of gas, who needs them? Nothing's official yet, but with gasoline numbers reaching 434 horsepower, an electric leap seems inevitable. Stay plugged in for the full bomb drop, because when real stats surface, this EV's performance will shock one and all. The electric Macan's configured to snatch crowns, and I can't wait to see it spark. Porsche's got a nifty surprise up its sleeve, a little something called bank charging. Now, here's the scoop. When you're juicing up at a 400-volt charging spot, the Macan EV doesn't just sit back and relax. No, it's like a double play. The 800-volt battery, it cleverly turns into 2 400-volt champs, charging up together at lightning speed. But hold on to your seats, because there's a twist. This trick might raise eyebrows more in places with different charging setups than in the good. Why, you ask? Well, it's because most of the super speedy DC fast chargers here are already rocking the 800-volt game. So while it's a mind-blowing move, it's got its own little spotlight. Crazy, right? Porsche's PPE platform is amping up the game with 800-volt power, like giving your charger a shot of espresso. And that's not all. They're cutting charging times, slimming cables, and fitting a superhero-worthy 100 kilowatt-hour battery under the Macan. Charging? Buckle up, from 5 to 80% in under 25 minutes. The technology powering these impressive charging capabilities is truly revolutionary. The gas-guzzling days might be done, but the drama is just getting started. When the real specs unleash, this EV's next-level abilities will shock even the staunchest of skeptics. Trust me when I say the electric Macan is coming to ignite passions in a whole new way. Porsche's making big moves to keep combustion engines relevant through synthetic fuels, but the writing is on the wall. Electric vehicles are the future. By 2030, over 80% of Porsche sales aim to be battery-powered. Central to realizing this vision is the PPE platform, co-developed with Audi, which high-volume EVs like the imminent Macan will be built upon. And at a recent showcase in Italy, Porsche spilled new secrets set to stir excitement for the trailblazing platform in the electric crossover that will pioneer its arrival. Change is coming, but with PPE and the Macan EV pioneering its potential, Porsche's shift to electricity looks primed to spark in a very big way. The electric Macan aims to shock and awe with its laser focus on thrills over practical perks. While other SUVs sell cargo space, Porsche patrons crave driving delight above all. And this powerhouse delivers fully on the demand for delight, flaunting the prized Porsche price tag in a textbook fashion. Lavish interiors and fine details are welcome, but not inexpensive rides. True to tradition, a tighter bond between man and machine outshines autonomous antics. Few self-driving frills pair with revved manual rewards beyond button pushing. Just as a plug-in hybrid welcomes varied tastes, easing electric anxiety without going fully battery. Technology aids the star, human skills at the wheel. Matching to its own beat, the Macan plans to stand out from the pack as only an authentic Porsche can. Doubters gonna doubt, but those in the know can't wait to see this electric showstopper spark joy. No exact date's been announced, but experts forecast the Macan EV dazzling us in late 2023 or early 2024 before ramping up manufacture in early 2024. Only time will tell if it lives up to Porsche's illustrious name. But seeing tests showcase razor reflexes and rocket quick sprints captivating crowds, the recipe for renown seems firmly set. The clock's ticking for this electric dream machine to spark the grand premiere with anticipation in tow. As rumors suggest, that 300+ kilometer battery is said to leave both the iX3 and e-tron coughing in the dust at only 260 and 230 kilometers respectively. And while those two Luxo barges take 40 minutes for an 80% charge, rumors say the Macan will juice up twice as fast with its speculated 270 kilowatt bolt from the blue. When the lights drop at the track, this electric Porsche Prowler is calculated to absolutely smoke the competition off the line. We're talking a blistering 0 to 60 in 4 seconds, and that's over 1 second quicker than even the mighty Audi e-tron. The BMW iX3 better keep dreaming of its 5-second claim, because rumors suggest the Macan EV may give even it the slip. Where other luxury EVs get comfortable, the svelte sports car allegedly dials handling to 11 with a lower, stiffer stance and customizable track and sports modes that will leave adrenaline junkies begging for more. Pricing is speculated around $80,000 to $85,000, slotting it strategically between the $77,000 iX3 and the $85,000 e-tron. But you can bet that extra cash unleashes a driving experience these cushier rivals couldn't hope to match. When the Macan arrives, passions for electric performance will be ignited. This could very well be the model that kickstarts Porsche's bolt into an electric future filled with possibilities. All eyes are watching to see if Porsche can make the switch to electric in a great way. They will try to keep people excited even without using gas. It's a big risk, but Porsche is known for their love of driving. If they can do it, others may want to go electric too. So, are you willing to take the electric plunge? Or will you stubbornly cling to that old gas habit? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.